Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial video on how to blanket stitch. Blanket stitch is a really simple technique for finishing a seam or hem of your knitting. All you need is a tapestry needle and some yarn, ideally in a contrasting colour so that it pops. To begin, insert your needle through the back of your work to the front. You can ignore your end for now, we'll weave that in later. Then loop your yarn around and push the needle through the same hole again from the back to the front of the work. This creates your anchor stitch, which sets you up. You now insert your needle horizontally through your anchor stitch and pull your working yarn through. To begin your blanket stitch, you make sure that you leave your working yarn in a loop, just like this. Insert your needle through the front to the back of the work this time and pull your working yarn through. This will begin to catch on itself like this. Pull it to secure it and repeat the process. So you make a loop with your working yarn, insert your needle from the front to the back and then catch that loop of working yarn as you pull it through. You might want to calculate how many stitches and rows you want to separate out your blanket stitch. I'm doing about a centimetre in from the edge and I'm just spreading them out by eye. That is really all there is to it. You create a loop with your working yarn, go front to back and catch that working yarn as you pull it through. So repeat that process all the way along the edge of your work. When you finish, weave in your loose ends and you're done. Happy blanket stitching!